been a while because I've been really busy. This is bed 1, bed 2, and bed 3. And I am doing a 3-bed rotation. So every so often I'll be flipping 3 beds at a time. I have a total of 11 beds, so I have 2 spares. Right now this is a spare and it has just random stuff in it. So we have spinach, cabbage, kale, some more other type of cabbage. On this side I have cauliflower and cabbage, a different kind of cabbage, and a whole lot of broccoli. So those 2 beds are just spares. Every time I have extra stuff, I just throw it in those beds. This bed is the beginning of the next 3-bed rotation, and it has so far Brussels sprouts and cauliflower, and they're staggered all the way down to the end. This bed I just broad forked today, so I am tired and sore. But it's ready to be planted. I did keep some of, like, down here, the Brussels sprouts. This one's a cauliflower, and a couple other here, because eventually and very soon they're going to start heading up and I'm going to be able to harvest them. Then I need to harvest this row here for the rabbits, which is fine because it's rabbit food. But I have several cauliflowers. That one is ready to harvest. I said I was going to harvest it today and I didn't. And then this one has a really nice head on it. It's going to get bigger in the next couple weeks, along with this one here, and then a couple others that are smaller. But all of this is going to get harvested, and this will be broad forked. And then it is part of the next 3-bed rotation. That's why there's compost here, because I'll broad fork it and then throw the compost down. Well, actually, I throw the compost down and then I'll broad fork it, so some of it gets down in the ground. But this bed and that bed are in the 3-bed rotation. And then eventually I'll come down and harvest these 3 rows. Hi, Eden! And that'll be the next group of 3-bed rotation. And what I'm doing is making sure that I have rabbit food all year long, as well as, my food. And 3 beds seems to be a good size for monthly or month-and-a-half rotations. Oh, gotta look at this. I gotta thin this. This is charred, but as I thin it, I'll just feed it to the rabbits. I cleared out the peas in that row because they weren't doing very well, but the celery is doing way better. And I have some kale in here, but not a lot. And then my lettuce. You can see I didn't plant that down there, so that's why there's nothing down there. But the rest of it's doing really well, and it's getting to the point where I can start harvesting for salads. My garlic is coming up, and then my broccoli, that's going to end up being an amazing bumper crop that I'm going to be able to freeze in about a couple months before I have to start planting all of this in the summer crop. Remy, you're all caught up. Oh my goodness. How'd you do that? No. Back. There you go. Wait. Hey. There you go. Good girl. Silly goose. I won't be using this anymore. One, it's plastic, and I want to try and reduce that. But I have some fencing that I will attach up to the trellising system here. So it'll be permanent fencing installed here and on this 4th row here, so that I can do climbing stuff on it without plastic. All right. Well, that's pretty much it for today. I got a lot done. I'm tired, and I'm gonna have to go make dinner now. So we'll see you again next time. Bye.